Good morning, class 8. Welcome back to your biology classroom once again. Today I'm going to discuss exercise of the chapter. So look at your book. First, pick the most appropriate answer, but I will discuss only answer. External fertilization occurs mostly in frogs. Sperms are produced by testes. Testes are present in the sac called scrotum. The sperms reach the urethra by the traveling through the sperm duct. The release of an egg from an ovary is called ovulation. In human females, fertilization of egg takes place in fallopian tubes. From the third week of development till the end of the second month of the pregnancy, the developing organism is called embryo. The female sex hormones secreted by the ovaries are progesterone and estrogen. Next, fill in the blanks. When an ovum fuses with sperm outside the body, it is called external fertilization. Testes produce male sex hormone called testosterone. Fertilization of ovum takes place in the fallopian tubes. Female have 28-day-long reproductive cycle called menstruation cycle. The embryo is attached to the uterus by a structure called placenta. Next, true false. Sexual reproduction involves the fusion of an egg and a spore. False. The ovum is carried from the ovary to the uterus by the vas deferens. False. Estrogen is a female sex hormone. True. Normally, 2 eggs are released from one of the ovaries every month. False. The formation of an individual from the zygote is called development. True. Next, match the following. Gestation. The time period between fertilization and birth. Next, testosterone. Answer is the male sex hormone produced by the testes. Next, sperm, the male reproductive cells in human beings. Next, internal fertilization. When a sperm fuses with an ovum inside the female body. Last one is cervix, the lower part of uterus. Next, define the following terms. Ovulation. Ovulation is the releasing of egg from matured ovary. The incident is known as ovulation. Next, menstruation. Discharge of blood from inner lining of broken uterus after every 28 days. This incident is known as menstruation. Fertilization. Fertilization is a biological process, whereas egg fused by sperm in fallopian tube. After that, a single cell is formed, that is known as zygote. Fetus. From the third month until before birth, during the developing embryo is known as fetus. Next, differentiate the between. All of you learn from your book. Next, answer the following in short. Define fertilization. Again, fertilization is a biological process, whereas female sex shell fused with male sex cell in fallopian tube. That is known as fertilization. Name the male reproductive organs in human beings. Male reproductive organ consists of a pair of testes. Next, sperm duct. Again, urethra. After that, penis and accessory glands. Name the male reproductive organ through which sperms are released. That is urethra. What is semen? When sperm mix with secretion of accessory glands, that is known as semen, it is white in color. Which part of the human body produce ova? That is ovary. Name the organ where the fertilization of an ovum by the sperm takes place. That is fallopian tube. What do you mean by fetus? From the third month until giving birth. During this time, embryo is known as fetus. What is placenta? Placenta is a structure by which fetus connected with uterus. Next, long question answer. As because your question will be either MCQ type or offline, so you will learn the long question answer also. So there are 4 questions. Among them, you will learn 1, 2, 4. Leave 3. Different parts of female reproductive system as well as male reproductive system in human beings. Again, the fertilization process. Last one is placenta and how the placenta beneficial to the fetus. You will learn from the book. So student, hope all of you understood what I've discussed in this long video. So for today, up to this portion.